Hello, future developers. So, welcome to the continuation of our data visualization program. So, in our previous lesson, we actually learned to do some grouping, like as you see here. Okay. So, today we'll be learning to do some histogram. That's a frequency distribution table, yeah, like frequency, how frequency something occurs. So that said, I'm going to create a variable x, and then I'll create a numpy. So np the random. So random is going to create generate some random numbers. Okay. When I say random, these are unpredictable numbers. Okay, so and then we use the normal just so we get like normalize everything. So random dot normal. But I want to read them more when you go to the B3 schools or the matplotlib library. Okay, or page. So normal. So I'm going to create some values. So 50, comma 5, comma and then 150. Okay, so this is actually going to create an array of 150, that's 150 arrays, and then it's going to be centered around 50, and then our standard deviation is going to be 5. Okay, so there's something that's for most students can actually understand this, but if you want more, you can go to W3 Schools or matplotlib page to understand standard deviation. Okay. So if we want to print, so I'll just use X and I'll run it. You can see we have some random numbers being generated. Okay, so we want 150 of them. So that's an array. So now what we'll do is we are just going to plot so plt dot hist, so histogram hist, and then X. So let's run it, and then you can see we have this. Okay, I wasn't expecting this. Let me see. Okay, so plt.hist, let's put a comma here and then let's give it another color, or let's change the color. Let's give it, let's say green. Okay, let me do plt.show. Then let's run this. Okay, so we can have this. So somewhere here, okay, we have the highest frequency somewhere here. So even if I run this, it's going to change. Our graph is going to change. Our histogram is going to change. You can see because of the random. Okay. So this about histogram, but I think we have the density. So density, let's set it to true. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's check the documentation for density. So here's the actual documentation for density. Okay. So there's the formula for density, how it works. Okay. Yeah, there's not much to say here. Okay. So that's density in the matplotlib. Yeah. So you can decide to change the figures here and play with the colors, and I think that should be it for density. There are more functions as you see here. Okay, more functions for the density, sorry, for histogram as you see here. Okay, so that's it then. Thank you, and then I'll see you in the next lesson.